Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Brittany Stewart, and today I'm going to be playing Star Wars Death Star Battle for the Atari 2600. Now, the controls on the computer are a little bit hard to use, especially since Atari controls weren't even the best when they were being played on the actual Atari game system, so I'm going to do the best I can today. Alright, let's start here. Basically, the premise is to move your Millennium Falcon and shoot the incoming TIE fighters while trying to make it to the Death Star and essentially blow that up before you get killed. This game was released in 1983, a little bit after the movie The Return of the Jedi came out in theaters. So I'm basically waiting for a light speed hole to show up that I can go through to get closer to the Death Star itself. So at the moment, I'm just sort of going around here. Oh, dang. All right. Oh, again. How did that even... I'm not even sure how that happened. Okay, there we go. There it is. All right. Light speed to the Death Star. This game was originally released in 1983 by Parker Brothers, and as hard as I tried to find who designed it, I was unable and unsuccessful in my efforts. All right. Oh, should have seen that coming. So here you have to be conscious about getting blown up by other ships, as well as the green gunner on the Death Star. It's very apparent here that this game came out after Return of the Jedi, since the Death Star is in its current state of being built. Or I guess rebuilt after it was blown up in A New Hope. However, my dad never refers to A New Hope as A New Hope. It is just the Star Wars. Ugh. All right, let's restart here. Maybe I can do a little bit better this time. Once again, gameplay is not the easiest on here. I'm currently using the D-pad controls. Whenever my brother plays Atari games online, he usually tries to use actual letter... Oh, man. Oh, yes. Okay, here we go. My brother normally uses letter controls. However, I am not as skilled as he is, so I'm just going to use up, down, left, and right arrows. Star Wars is actually one of my favorite movie series. I was really excited when I found Space Star Battle because it has an S and a B, and my names contain an S and a B, so it worked perfectly for my assignment. Ugh, dang it. I am not doing well. I played this game like 20 times in preparation, and I have never won, so we'll see if anything's different this time. Appears not to be. Oh my gosh. Alright. Oh, that didn't even give me a chance. Well, alright, let's try again. Ugh. Alright, go, go, go. No! This is so annoying. Alright, I have 3 Falcons left. Let's make them count. That was terrible. That was so close. Oh my gosh. Oh, why do I keep doing this? basically found that you can't take out the green gunner as hard as you try. And then a Star Destroyer will take you out if you don't try. Or, look, hard enough. And that's about it. Okay, I've really enjoyed showing you my failures at Star Wars Return of the Jedi Death Star battle, but I think I'm gonna sign off and say goodbye, and I enjoy watching everybody else's gameplays this afternoon. All right.